Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Basic to Advanced. Today I am going to walk you through some logical function of Excel like is number, is text, is blank and is error. So we will see one by one each function. So first of all let's see is blank. So is blank function returns true if value refers to an empty cell. The syntax is blank then value. So if we want to check this cell means D4, what type of data this cell has, or we want to check the cell D4 is blank or not. So we will use is blank function equal to is blank, then select this cell. So it returns true because the cell is blank. If we put any data in this cell, it will return false. Like we put 1, then it will return first. If we delete it, it will return true because this cell is blank. Now let's see is error function. So is error function return true if value refers to any error value. We have different types of error in Excel like has NA, has value, reference, div. These types of error you will get in Excel. So if we want to check that the cell has any error value, so we will use if is error function. The syntax is error, then select the value. So we have already mentioned here all the types of error. So we will check one by one. Now if we want to check this cell, so we will use is error function equal to is error, then select this cell. Okay, now it will return true because the cell has error. Same here we have reference type error. So again we will use is error, then select this cell. But it will also return true because there is error in the cell. If we change this to number, it will return false. Or if we change this to text, it will also return false. So it will return only true if the cell has error. Okay, now let's move to another function is number. So is number return true if the value refers to a number. The syntax is number, then select value. So let's see this cell has number 12. Now we want to check whether it is number or something else. So we will use is number function, then select the cell. So it returns true because the cell has number. If we change this number to text, then we will get false because the cell has text type value. Okay, now let's move to another function is text function. So is text function return true if value refers to text. The syntax is text, then select value. So let's see example. If we have text type value in the cell and we want to check whether it is text or any other value, so we will use is text function. Is text, then select. So it will return true because the cell has text value. If we change to any other, like we delete the cell, then we will get false because there is no value in the cell. If we put number, then it will also return false because the cell has numeric type value. So if we put text value, then it will return true because the cell has text. So here we have same type of examples. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.